Morning, dear students. In our first chapter, we had read about our earth. So, our new chapter now we are going to start lesson 2. Name of the chapter is Maps and Globes. What is a map? Map is the drawing of an area made on a flat surface. Map is the drawing of an area made on a flat surface. How map helps us? With the help of map, we can find any country or any town, any cities, or we can find out the distance between two cities also. These maps may be printed maps also and digital maps also. Like we use maps on our smartphones also. Maps can be printed form also. So what are the type of maps? Maps are of different kinds. Physical maps, the maps which shows us landforms such as mountains, plains, plateaus and water bodies. What are water bodies? Rivers, oceans, seas, lakes, etc. And another type of map is political map. Political map shows countries, towns, cities, towns and villages. Next is road map. Road map shows the important roads of an area, and we use street map to find out about any area. Climate map. Climate map tells us whether an area is generally warm, hot, cold, dry, wet. So these are the types of maps. Besides this also we have some more kind of maps which shows us about crops, industries, about natural resources like forests and so on. After this we will do about globes. What is a globe? You all know. Globe is a model of the earth. It is round in shape like the earth. And like map, globes also used to study the earth, and globes shows different continents and oceans, and like maps, globes can show different countries or landforms also. So if map and globes are same, and they both are used to study the earth, so what is the difference between map and globe? Now we will know about the difference between globe and map. Difference between globe and map. Globes are round and maps are flat. Globe always shows the whole world. I can show you also. If you can find this globe, it shows the whole world. A map can show the whole world or a part of it. Means we can use world map also we use, and we can use a country map also, like map of India. Only one country's map is shown and we can see different states of India in this map. So map, it can show the whole world or a part of it. A map shows greater detail. Since I told you, because different maps are used to show different topics or different themes, we can use particular map, like map to show crops, map to show industries. So if we use a particular map, it shows greater detail about that topic. Globe cannot show much detail because it shows the whole world in a small place, small space, so it cannot show much detail. A globe shows the correct shape and size of the continents and oceans, because earth is round. So globe shows the correct shape and size because globe is also round. A map cannot show the correct shape and size of continents and ocean because map is a flat surface. So shapes get distorted when we show these on the map. Globes are difficult to carry, but maps are easy to carry. Maps we can keep in pocket also. Maps can be printed on books also, and we can use maps on different means our devices also, like smartphones also. Can you show? I am showing you once again the map. Can you find the location of India, our country India? In this globe, can you see where our country India is? Okay, stop. Maps also are of different types. Like this map, where boundary lines can you see on the map? Where the boundaries are shown, that map is called political map. In this is the physical map. In this map, no boundaries are shown. This is without boundaries. So this is the difference between different kind of maps. Physical map is shown without boundaries and political map has boundaries. So what is map reading? Map reading means understanding the map. For understanding the map, we need to know about the directions, symbols, different colors, key of the map. These terms we should know. Now I am going to explain these terms, what these terms are. Directions, we all know there are 4 main directions. You all know the names of directions: north, east, south and west. A compass rose shows the 4 main directions and also the sub directions. As you can see on the board, here I have shown 4 main directions. The upper direction is north and the bottom it is south. Here is east and this is west direction. And sub directions also, because you know about all the 4 main directions, direction between north and east is marked as northeast. Direction between south and east is marked as southeast. Direction between west and south and west is marked as southwest, and direction between north and west is marked as northwest. So these are 4 sub directions: northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest. Colors, we use different colors on a map. So which colors are used to show which things? Plains and lowlands, they are colored green. For showing plain areas, which color we use? Green color. Low hills and plateaus may be yellow. As we go higher, the color becomes darker. Higher hills and plateaus are shown in light brown color, and mountains deep brown. Very high mountains are shown in purple color. Snow covered mountains, snow covered areas are shown in white color on the map, and water bodies, rivers, oceans are shown in blue color. So I hope you have understood till here. Next comes symbols. Why do we use symbols on a map? You must have seen that different symbols are used on different kind of maps, because we cannot show the actual figures on the map. It is very difficult to show a house, tree, building, bridge on the map. So we use different symbols to show different buildings, etc. And because with the help of symbols, these symbols save space and makes a map easier to read. Key. With every map, a key is given down the map. A key, how this key is helpful to understand the map? A key or legend tells what each symbol or color on a map means. Scale. What is the scale now? The scale helps us find the real distance between places on a map. I am telling you one example. Suppose the distance between Delhi and Mumbai is 1100 km. But we cannot show this much distance 1100 km on a map. So we use a scale. Suppose I take distance between Delhi and Mumbai 1100 km. This distance cannot be shown on a map. So we show on the map by centimeters. We show it by 11 centimeters. Distance we show by 11 centimeter. Means 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometer. So 11 centimeter will be equal to 1100 kilometers. So this scale helps us find the real distance between places on a map. So this is all about this chapter. I hope you all have understood. Thank you.